Okay, hello. So to demonstrate how automatic coding or AI assisted coding is already a reality in Framer, I'm sure that the Framer team is already working on it. I just wanted to create a little tool to help my fellow designer colleagues to be able to bring their prototyping skills to the next level. So here basically I build a little interface where designers can input the handoff code from Framer and ask the AI to code overrides for them. So basically what we are going to try to do is to start these components interactive. So at the moment they are not. So you need to do is select the components you want, go to handoff, copy the handoff and paste it here. And we are also going to add another example just to make it easier for the AI. And we are going to say I want these components so let's go. So what it's doing is integrating the code written here with the prompt and sending this to ChatGPT that has a system prompt that tells Framer how to code overrides. So it finished generating code. I actually added some little tutorials here to help people. Oh, that's a load. Yeah, it teaches you how to proceed. Also here. But yeah, the only thing that designers need to do is copy the code and then go back to Framer, and then here we are going to select our three components, add a code override. We are going to create a new one, then call it test2, create, and here we are going to paste the output from the assistant. Now we can just select that override, test2, and select assign those overrides, and now you'll get it right. So in this way you can see how actually ChatGPT is able already to code these very simple functions. We could actually do another experiment. So this time I'm gonna add this piece of code, so handoff, copy all this, and here we are gonna add a new one. Okay, which is, so basically what we want is that when you click these ones, we want these to be updated. So for that we are gonna say basically, the property of this, so total cost is the property that we want to add. So every time we click this, we want to reflect the price into the total cost. So we are gonna just say that I want the total cost of premium. So this one is called, it's called the bookstore copy. So let's say of bookstore copy to reflect the premium books. Okay, the price of books. Yeah, because here we have the price. So let's go with it. So this time is taking into account the three of them. Okay, there we go. So this time has made two overrides. Again, we are gonna copy, and then we are gonna add it here. So code overrides, we want test2, and then we are gonna edit this again, paste everything. So this one is gonna have the total cost, and these three, they keep the same. So let's see if it works. So this still works, and we can see 8340. If I click this one, 140. So it's great. I don't need to code overrides anymore. Okay, hope you like it, and thank you. See you later.